Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Lady Big Garden. I hope you're well today. I just want to show you a video of how to support your watermelon fruits as they get bigger, um, especially when you're using a vertical method system. So how do you support the watermelon fruit? Because as they get bigger, it puts pressure on the whole system that I'm using. So what I've done is I've got a ladies tight, which is a bit stretchy. Just need something stretchy. It doesn't have to be ladies tight, but that's what I found in the house, which is stretchy and is easy to use. And what I'm going to do is just tight one part of the bamboo stick that I'm using. And what you're going to do is you want to create a little pouch. See, because these things, they're getting bigger each day. So you want to create a little pouch where the watermelon is sitting down in it, and I'm just going to tie it to the other side of the bamboo stick. So what happens is, as this watermelon gets bigger, this stretchy material will be supporting it, and as it gets bigger, it will be holding the weight. So that way, the pressure will not be on the whole system. This string will just be holding it, and that's it really. I hope you understand what I've done, and if you do have any question, don't hesitate to leave me a comment or ask me anything if you can. I've got another fruit because this particular plant has got the 3 fruits coming up. There's one there, and the third one is somewhere. Let's go down. I don't know whether you can see it. There. So I think what I'm going to do is that I remove it and let all the energy goes into one fruit, or I will just allow nature to just be nature and let nature do its own thing. But what I'm going to do though is cut all this vine, because it's shooting a lot of vine out. I'm going to cut it so that all the energy goes back into the fruit. We don't want no more vine, we want fruits. And that's it really. I hope this has been helpful, and anyway, that's it for me. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.